Welcome to my contribution to Steel Pinnings TRI LOCK ATHON's event number 1, speed padlock picking, and here is my lock. It's an ABUS 7240 and that's the key. 6 pins, lock works and is locked up. I hope it's okay to insert the tension wrench before. I will hold my pick in the other hand. And yeah, I will just hit the start button and start with pin number 1, which is the standard pin, and then only spools are to pick, and 4 is all the way down. And that's it. 14 seconds and 14.7 seconds. Okay, so that's my contribution. Thank you very much for watching. Happy picking and bye bye.